Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily download and install WhatsApp application on your Windows 11 computer. To begin, go to your search bar and type Microsoft Store and click on it to open. The application will start refreshing, and after a few seconds, several images, applications, films will appear. As the next step, click on the search bar and type WhatsApp. You will see WhatsApp. Click on the application to open, and here you want to click Install. You will need to wait a few seconds, between 20 to 40 seconds, based on how fast is your computer and how fast is your internet. The download installation process is automatic, and after it's done, we should be prompted to open the application, ready to use. You will also need to have your phone on hand so that you can easily scan the QR code and share your contacts and your messages between your phone and your Windows and your WhatsApp app. As you can see, the download and install was straightforward. Now we'll just click open, and here it's appearing. Click get started, and here is the QR code which you need to scan by your phone. If you manage to close the application, you can always go to search bar to open it. Just type WhatsApp and the application will appear. Just click on it and it should open up for you again. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.